وَجَزَاكُمْ. Your husband is crazy, and you must not succumb to his sick demands.
In one of Sheikh Assim Al-Hakeem's Q&A sessions, he gave one of his infamous unorthodox responses while giving clarification with the Sunnah of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him.
Sheikh, my husband, when I'm married, my father, out of affection, he kisses on my forehead when he meets me. Now my husband doesn't want this to happen. So what should I do? Jazakallah.
وَجَزَاكُمْ. Your husband is crazy, and you must not succumb to his sick demands. So many women, unfortunately, allow their husbands to enslave them, to force them to do things that are un-Islamic. And they end up building up pressure and hatred and resentment. 3-4 years down the line, they explode. It is too late. You have a kid or two. You have to draw the line. Such sick demands, not allowing you to breathe, not allowing you to go to normal places, or to see normal places, or to be visited by normal people. This has to stop. Whether you act crazy and say to your husband, I'm done, I'm through, because life cannot go on. Marriage is based on communication skills, on respect, on compassion, on love, not on slavery. A father kissing his daughter on the forehead is from the Sunnah. In the authentic hadith, Mother Aisha reports that whenever Fatima came, her way of walking was identical to her father's. So whenever she came into the room, her father stood up, came to her and kissed her in between the eyes, and made her sit on his place or next to him. And whenever he came, she stood up, did the same to him. So if your wacko husband says your father should not do this, don't obey him.